What inspired you? So this is all about your inspiration to put up that Yes Pinoy Foundation. What inspired you to? Ano sino or ano ang inspiration mo doon?
Actually, loko-loko lang buho talaga ako. Then, seriously, ang inspiration ko po in putting up this foundation is people like you, students in front of me right now. You know why? Because I believe that this afternoon, all of us, we all have a common denominator. And siguro hearing 2 or 3 of you speak a while ago, we were talking about, you know, the added value of just being a student and doing something else beyond your responsibility. And I think lahat kayo nandito is because you want to do something more. And that is the main strength and reason why I put up this foundation. And dahil I believe in the potential of the Filipino youth to do something more than just what is given to them. In fact, they can do more with what is given, paano na lang sa mga pwedeng may gawin na walang pagkakataon at walang opportunity. So this is what the foundation will do, and this is the main reason why we put up the foundation, is to provide the access and the ability for those in need to excel and to commit their dreams and their goals. Ganun lang yan.
Okay, in other words, it is really a blessing that God has blessed you, not only a good look, also the talents and skills, and most of all, your big heart, for you were able to look into the needs of the students. Okay. Amen. Why of all the names in this world, why Yes Pinoy? Why Yes Pinoy?
Yes. Yes. Isn't that a positive word? I mean, yes, it stands for Youth, Education, and Service. Youth, why? Youth ang main na focus ng foundation. Education, which will propel the youth for nation building, and service, it's something that we should give back to society. So it's a full circle within it.
Okay, so there's a meaning behind the yes. That's youth, education, and services. So we are unlucky, for we are no longer a youth. Would it be? Is it so?
But wait, there's more. May Pinoy pa. Tayo yung Pinoy.
Okay, aside from providing scholarship, that's one of our purposes, right? Our goal, to provide scholarship to those children of fallen Marine soldiers. Why only Marines?
Well, right now, in fact, since it is a special day, we extended our heart and our resources to not just para hindi lang sa dependence ng fallen Marines, pero sa dependence ng Marines mismo na aktibo pa rin sa service. In fact nga, yung in-awardan natin kanina, active pa rin sila sa Marines. Pero, kasi masyadong we are limited kung sabihin natin fallen Marines, and that's why today is a special day. Nakaharap tayo ng dalawang scholars na qualified for that.
Okay, so why only Marines? Why not include Army, the Navy? They are all military services, right?
Yes. If we have many money, we can as much as we want to, why not?
Okay, so
we have to start somewhere, and the reason why